Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today we're checking out the custom dash cover on this 2009 Ram 2500. It's an awesome looking dash cover in the black. It's a carbon fiber texture type material up here. It's called Dash Tex. It's just a great style of dash cover, and it's in the black, so it's matched up really nice with the seat covers and the floor mats that we have inside here. Let's check it out. So here is the custom dash cover for this 2009 Ram 2500. Now you can see there's special cutouts here for the vents. Anywhere that you would have a vent on your vehicle, there would be cutouts for that. Now, sometimes there's cutouts for speakers, but some vehicles it's hard to do cutouts for those. And this material, that audio can actually come through this material, so you can still hear that. But it's so important to have a dash cover to protect your dash, because the sun just beats down on your dash up here, and it's so much better to have things protected and get that UV off of the dash. And I really like this black because it coordinates really nice with the seat covers that we did inside here today and the floor mats, the black floor mats. So really matched everything up nice inside here. So this custom dash cover is looking really nice. Thanks so much for watching this video. Again, this has been Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. If you want to order a dash cover like this, you need to jump over to coversandcamo.com. Get your dash protected, and also check out the seat covers and floor mats that we have on the website there as well. Again, it's been Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers.